All right, folks, we're looking at the ThinkBoardx. Comes with some instructions. It comes with a cloth, the RocketBook cloth for erasable marker. It's basically a whiteboard with the little beacons on it, and you're going to use your RocketBook app to set up and send to different destinations. So here I'm using the RocketBook app. I've already configured it for where I want to send my destinations. And you can see, you can't tell here, but I'll simply hit the new scan at the bottom. And what's going to happen is it's going to act like a scanner. You can see the red, it's zeroing in, saying, okay, that's where we're going to scan. Hold it still, and then it'll take it, and it'll drop it. You can also notice at the bottom I'm set for beacons and not RocketBook. I hit the little dots at the top, and it brings up the share. So I can hit share, and then it's going to give me choices of places to send. I'm going to send it to Google Drive. Now I'm already set up and configured, and it's just going to have me log in. It's going to be an option of which folder and where I'm sending to. I'm sending to a folder called RocketBook. Pretty simple. So now I'm going to go to Google Drive and see what it looks like. So you can see when I go there, it comes right to the top. There's that Hello World. There's some other ones I did, but pretty straightforward. You can click on it and open it. Very cool. Hope this helps.